So we'll go to spirulina. Some people may forget taking their spirulina every day. But if you consider Ganoderma as the king of herbs, I consider spirulina as the queen of herbs. So when I studied how exactly our spirulina is being made back there in Kedah, Malaysia, the last time I visited, I studied how it is being done. First, they have these algae, and they get it by pipette, and they put it inside a test tube. And these algae are left there to grow. They count the days until they can transfer this to bigger flasks. And once they grow there already, as they count the number of days and months, they transfer them to the spirulina pond or the algae pond, which is basically just like a swimming pool where the environment is controlled that is beneficial for the algae to live. Oxygen, water, and a lot of sunlight, because these algae eat a lot of sunlight from the sun. And they are harvested after a while, and then they undergo spray drying, which is very, very strict, and before they are made into powder form. And they are sent to the different DXN countries in the world. In India, as capsules, and in the Philippines as well as in UAE as tablets. In the Philippines, we have these problems. Many people we want to convince to eat our spirulina do not like to eat it because of the smell, the characteristic smell. So actually, India has a solution. They put it inside capsules. So why don't we just do it too? So that we can actually convince this segment of people who dislike our spirulina because of its smell and taste. So you would ask me now, what makes our spirulina a very superior food supplement? What are its secrets? There are so many secrets of spirulina, but let me share you only 6 of them. Number 1, it contains a lot of amino acids. What are amino acids? Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins. In other words, you cannot make proteins if you do not have amino acids. And so you will ask me, what are the proteins in our body, doctor? The hair on your head, the skin is made up of protein. Your ear, your mouth, practically everything that you see in your body is made up of proteins. And so every day you take a bath and a lot of layers of this skin will slough off or fall down. And so you will have to replenish it with newer proteins so that you will always feel younger every day and look younger. So people who regularly take our spirulina usually receive the comment that you look a lot younger than your age. So this is the secret. And next secret is beta-carotene. What is it? It's just vitamin A. Vitamin A is the food for the eyes. So to help our vision, so that we will not develop poor eyesight when we grow old, and also helps us in wound healing. And then the third secret, which I consider the most important as a medical doctor, is chlorophyll A. Chlorophyll A, why is it important? Because it has been proven by science that if chlorophyll A is present in your blood, it is immediately converted into hemoglobin. What is hemoglobin? Hemoglobin is the molecule that carries the oxygen and attaches to the red blood cell so that it will go with your circulation and distribute this oxygen around your body. If your body lacks oxygen, then you are in a state of anemia, which is bad. And so many women during menstruation may lose a lot of blood, and they do not know that they already have anemia. But if they are continually taking our spirulina regularly, then they will be assured that they will not develop this anemia. And then the fourth secret, our fourth secret in DXN is phycocyanin. This is also important because this is our cholesterol destroyer. And so this is what I tell DXN members, that if you go to a party where you eat a lot of rice, food, oily food, spicy food, and all these things, when you go home, don't forget to take at least 4 to 5 tablets of the spirulina. At least you will not feel guilty because you will now start the cholesterol regulation that is being given by spirulina to our body through phycocyanin. And the number 5 secret of spirulina is gamma-linolenic acid. It is actually very good for our nerves. And medicine and science has proven also that there are only 2 whole foods that can give us the all too important gamma-linolenic acid. And